Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Oppo A73, keeping it within approximately 600 words and covering features, exterior, and a conclusion, without using quotation marks, numbers, or headings. Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we bring you the latest insights on smartphones that shake up the market. Today we're taking a close look at the new Oppo A73 model for 2025. This phone aims to balance style, performance, and price in a way that stands out from the crowd, especially for users who want premium looks without the premium cost. Starting with the design, the Oppo A73 for this year comes with a refreshed and minimalistic look. It feels slim and light in hand, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and gives it a clean aesthetic. The back panel curves gently into the frame, making it comfortable to hold for longer periods. You'll notice the camera module is slightly raised but blends nicely with the back cover, giving the phone a sleek and polished appearance. The color options are subtle yet modern, aimed at users who want something elegant without going over the top. On the front, the Oppo A73 features a large edge-to-edge display with a punch-hole camera setup. The bezels are quite slim, giving it a more immersive feel for video watching, gaming, and general use. The screen itself is vibrant with good brightness levels, making it easy to use outdoors or under direct light. Scrolling feels smooth, and the visuals are sharp and detailed, which is impressive at this price point. Under the hood, the 2025 A73 packs enough power for daily tasks. It's not meant for heavy gaming or advanced multitasking, but for regular use like browsing, messaging, streaming, and casual photography, it's more than capable. App switching is fluid, and the operating system based on the latest ColorOS version offers a neat and user-friendly interface. It has some customization options that let users tweak their experience without overwhelming them with too many features. The camera system includes a main sensor along with additional lenses that support portrait and macro shots. Daylight shots come out crisp with natural colors and good dynamic range. In low light, it holds up reasonably well with some built-in software enhancements helping to reduce noise and improve brightness. The front selfie camera does a decent job for social media posts and video calls. While it's not aimed at pro photography, it definitely gets the job done for everyday users. Battery life is another area where the A73 performs well. It can easily last a full day with moderate usage, and thanks to its optimized software, the battery drains slowly even when multiple apps are running in the background. Fast charging support means you won't be stuck near a power outlet for too long. It's perfect for people on the go who need a device that can keep up without constant recharging. Connectivity options include everything you'd expect from a modern phone, including fast mobile data, stable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even a headphone jack, which is becoming rare these days. There's also a fingerprint scanner built into the side or display depending on the variant, which is quick and reliable for unlocking. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Oppo A73 is not trying to compete with flagship phones, and that's exactly where its strength lies. It focuses on delivering a reliable experience, with a strong build, decent performance, and just enough features to satisfy the average smartphone user. It's ideal for students, professionals, or anyone looking for a solid budget device without sacrificing too much on style or functionality. That's it for today's video. If you're thinking of switching things up and the Oppo A73 caught your eye, it might just be the smart choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new review from FK iPhone. See you in the next one. Let me know if you want this converted into a voiceover format or need a version with timestamps for editing.